It's Christmas Day. We would like to sing for you a Christmas song to celebrate all the crazy journeys of our lives. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, with every Christmas card I write. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, with every Christmas card I write. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white, and may all your Christmases be white. Merry Christmas, honey.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to all of you guys. Now, we're going to open our crackers. Oh, shoot. Oh, she jumped. We're going to see what our fortunes are for the coming year. Do you have your glasses on you?
No.
This is your fortune, okay?
My fortune.
Yeah.
Okay.
For the year, we have to take off these hats because we're going to put on the new hats.
Okay.
Take those off. Yeah, throw them down. Here we go. And, hooray!
Wow.
Fell on the ground. What'd you get? What'd you get?
Cards. I got a set of cards.
Oh, awesome. Here's your crown.
Here's my fortune. Fortune? You sure there's a fortune in here?
Yes.
No, they're jokes.
There's fortune on the other side.
Oh.
Or there should
That's
be.
grim. Who is Rudolph's favorite pop star?
I don't know.
Beyonce.
Okay, go on.
What did the hat say to the scarf?
You go on ahead, I'll just hang around.
Very good.
Yes, it's a great joke. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your all your Christmases be white. Let's pull mine. Oh, I got a can opener. A can opener. Awesome. Okay, here we go. What do frogs wear on their feet?
I don't know.
Open-toed sandals. What do you call a blind reindeer?
I don't know.
No idea.
Oh,
Those are pretty good.
yeah, that's pretty bad.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
honey.
Christmas.
To all of you guys, listen, man. You have 365 chances every year to change your life. Take one.
You better.
You can change your life tomorrow. Literally tomorrow. Right?
I hope so.
Yeah. Grab any moment of joy you can. And may all your Christmases be white. Let them be white. Merry Christmas.